Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up an integration with Ecwid for WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, once you're on your WordPress dashboard, once you log into your site, you just need to go into your plugins and search for Ecwid. Now, as you can see, I can't use plugins myself, but if I go to the marketplace, I might be able to browse them and show you guys exactly which one I mean. So if I go here and type Ecwid and search for it, I'll be able to use Ecwid by Lightspeed, and what you need to do is just set this up and activate it. Now, as you can see, I'm on the free plan for WordPress. You will have the option to use it on the business plan, but once you have that plan, you just need to install it and activate it, and that should be good to go. It's automatically going to do your shipping and taxes. You can set up for sales on Facebook and Instagram. You can set it up for e-commerce mobile apps, etc., etc. There is a lot of features which are really good. And with Ecwid, as you can see, you can include your e-commerce shop on multiple websites. And once you set this integration up, you're of course going to have to log into your Ecwid site as well, or your Ecwid account. And I'm pretty sure whatever you do on Ecwid, it can be integrated onto WordPress itself as well. But that is pretty much all there is to it. You just need to use this official Ecwid e-commerce plugin for WordPress, and once you set it up, you'll be able to use both connected with one another, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.